welcome to my channel. As you can see, I already started my project and I have two drawer pulls here. They're made out of glass and they I don't know, facetted, I think this is what you call it. It sparkles like a diamond, and this is what I want to make a silicone mold out of. And I put some double-sided sticky tape underneath those pieces, and I'm cutting the not needed rim off, and then I will stick them to the bottom of my little box that I fixed already. And what's most important is that don't leave no fingerprints on the masters, because if you not cleaning your fingerprints off, the silicone will pick up even the fingerprints, even the slightest fingerprint on those pieces, and transfer it to the silicone. And that also means every piece that you make with this mold will have your fingerprint on it too. I already done mixed my silicone, and I'm pouring it from a higher level onto those two glass pieces, because I want to make sure that there's no bubbles around those pieces when I'm pouring it on there. And the higher you do that, the less bubbles you're gonna have. And I top it up with silicone up to like 1/2 inch thick on the bottom, which is here the top, to ensure the stability of the mold. Ever since I have the bigger part of the master on the bottom of this mold, I won't get it out without making a cut in the silicone, because the bigger part won't fit through this little hole on top. And I'm sorry that it's a little bit off camera. As you can see, I'm cutting twice, and in the end I'm ending up cutting 3 times on demold of the piece that I will pour in there, because it's much easier to get them out like that. And the silicone sticks together, so the resin won't pour out if you put a rubber band around it. Now I'm taking my trusty nail tool. I don't know how y'all call it. I don't even know the name in German, but you see what I mean. And I'm cleaning up the edges. This is not necessary because it's just like for the beauty of it, and I like it better. That's why I'm doing it this way. Here you can see those two cuts that I made, and I will make another one on the other side as well. I was eager to try out this new mold that I made because I never made a deep one like that before. So now I'm filling my resin into those little crevices, and it's kind of hard for me to see how full they are already, because it's about like 10 or 12 inches away from my body, so it's hard for me to look into the little holes. That's why I'm picking it up right now. And I'm just filling it up right there, and I don't fill it up all the way because I don't need for those to try out the whole thing. Now it's 24 hours later, and you can see I put the rubber band around this little mold to keep it flush. And now I'm trying to demold my piece. And as you can see, it's kind of hard for me to get those pieces out with only that one corner cut open. So what I'm going to do is I will cut the other side off as well. Not off like only halfway, like the cuts that I have there already. And therefore, I have to be really careful with my little knife not to scratch the resin piece inside, because you probably won't be able to fix this then on that one. But as you can see, I'm making like a crosswise cut, adding to the other ones, and that way the outcome or the release of the piece that is in there is much, much easier. If you like my video, I would appreciate a thumbs up. It enables me to make more videos for y'all, and it shows YouTube that the people are interested in the things that I do. Thank you. So it came out really easy now because I had two slits open, and I love the look. Don't you think? It has a tons of bubbles in there, and I don't really care on this piece because this is due to my resin that I used. And if you ask me, it adds to the sparkle in those two pieces. And I don't have no pressure pot. That's why I have to use another resin in the future to use this mold. But I really, really like it. And it's really sparkly as the original, and it looks just like glass if it weren't for those bubbles in there. I love that.